Hello and welcome to our vintage style Lambeth cake tutorial. So we're just going to start marking out where our swags are going to go. Okay, so we've got a piece of baking paper, okay, which is just over 30 inches long, which is the diameter of our base tier. So we'll just cut that in half. Okay, we'll put one aside for our top tier, which we'll do shortly. We'll start with our base tier. Okay, so we'll just pop it around our cake. Make sure that it does cover all the way around and just mark where the overlap is. So we'll just fold it back so we know that this is actually the true length. Okay, and then to just get equal sections, just start by folding your baking paper in half and then work out how many sections you'd like after that. So you can go into quarters and into eighths, or you could just fold it into three, depending how wide you would like your swags. I think we'll do it that way. Equal thirds there. So just line your papers up. Okay, and you can see that ours is a bit taller than what our cake is, so we'll just have to make sure we place our cut line the height that we want it. We're just going to use our round cutter set here. Work out what size we'd like. Okay. Yep, that'll work out well. So line it up. Position to see what height you want it at. We might go about there. And then just trace it on. Okay, and then cut it out. Okay, so just place it around, see how you like the marking of it. Yep. That looks good. Okay, and then just to position it in place on the overlap, we've just got a little pin here, and just mark your pin through your transfer paper there on a spot where you know that you're going to be piping over. Okay, and then we just take a little cocktail stick and we'll just trace over where this marking is. And that'll give us a nice little outline. And so just press nice and lightly. And this is on a cold cake. Okay, we're all the way back to the finish then. Let's take our pin out. and our template off. Okay, and now we need to do the same for the top tier. Now we'll move on to our top tier. So as you can see, we've just placed our baking paper around the circumference of it and just folded back our overlap edge. Okay, so we've got our length that we need now. Yep. Okay, so once again, just fold your paper in half, and then just as we did with the base tier, we'll fold ours into a section of 3 again. Okay. And again, we'll just see how far up we did our top tier. Okay, and we can just might use a slightly smaller cutting ring here. Yep. And we'll do it roughly the same height that we did our first one. Just trace around it. And then cut it out. Okay, place this one around it again. And once again, we'll just secure it with a pin, just like that on the overlap. Okay, and then just carefully just trace around your outline here. And this is where you'll be piping all your decorative detail. There you have it. Release your pin and remove your template. And now we can get started on stacking and then piping. Hello friend, did you know that we have a vast variety of online tutorials and PDF guides available for download from our shop on www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com. If you're looking to learn more for all types of things in the cake industry, from making your perfect sugar cookies to buttercream to decorating to tips and tricks, we've got you covered. So pop onto our shop on our website at www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.